Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is LJ and you're watching NoClutch Garage. Today's video is going to be pretty straightforward. It's going to be an unboxing of Vader Solutions' latest and greatest product, which is a front mount intake. So let's take a look. Alright, so here is the intake. I already kind of went over it. I didn't go through everything. So here's the pipe. Still not quite sure how this is going to be fitted. I'll have to look at directions and everything. But essentially, why this pipe is made like this is because you're going to have the air from outside coming in, and you're going to be taking it into the turbo. You want it as smooth as possible. You want that air to flow as freely as possible, and so fluid dynamics kind of go into the science of making these. These welds look really good, so there are no issues there. The construction actually feels pretty good. So we have this metal pipe, which is the main pipe. I'm gonna go take this to Best and Powder Coating today to get coated because it has to match the rest of the engine bay. Take that out. There's a bunch of stuff in here. We'll look at that in a little bit. This is a silicone pipe, which I assume is gonna go through the inlet. Have a coupler, another coupler, and then we're going to be using a KN filter. I hope this is not one of the big ones because I really don't like how those look, but if I want to modify it later, I can. In any case, I mean, it's a KN filter, so it'll be a good filter regardless. Yeah, this one is a long filters. Not a huge fan of them, but it is what it is. And I think that's pretty much it. I will say though that for these couplers, he included these really nice clamps. I don't know what this is. So yeah, we have here a few stickers. I asked him personally to get me some of these because they're gonna go on the car. And then these are the screws for the MAF adapter. So yeah, it looks very complete, and we're gonna be taking this to the pattern core place and putting it on my car. So yeah guys, this was a very brief introduction to this intake, and I do want to make a few notes. I am switching to this intake because it's always going to be better for me to grab fresh air from the outside. Of course, as air passes through the front of the car, it's going to get warmer, and as you guys know, if it's a box inside of the car, it's going to get hot no matter what. This is going to get warm anyway, but the fact that the air is being drawn directly from the outside, going through the pipe and everything as quickly as possible, and not really relying on hot air from the engine bay, I think this is going to be great as far as keeping IATs down. At least the average temperature is going to drop. I know that for a fact because the air is going to be drawn from the outside. I will get into more IAT issues later on a separate video because I do see that being a big issue with some of these B58 cars and people having all kinds of trouble trying to keep those temperatures down, and a lot of people go about it the wrong ways. We're going to be talking about intake systems. We're going to be talking about alternative ways to cool down your IATs, manifolds, all that. But right now, I just want to give you a quick rundown of this intake system, and I'm going to give you a video later on of how to install it. Anyway guys, thank you for watching, thank you for sticking with me and having a quick look at this, and when I'm ready to install it, I'll see you again. Talk to you later. Peace.